So the next models you are looking at have been sold, and right here we have a Timothy the Ghost engine. So I'm gonna show you these models are working, and right there it's perfectly working. Timothy the Ghost engine. I sold last week these models. I want to say thank you to everybody who support me buying my models. So this way we can continue making more videos and uploading more content, of course. And here we have one of custom Percy. This one is from Mattel. Percy as a Great Western. Really nice model. All of these models I add, of course, they've been repainted, and I do a lot of work on this. For example, the gears have been greased, so that way they are kind of quiet. So this excellent model from Mattel, Percy converted and customized into the Great Western Trojan. Yeah, I sold a lot of these models. So here is another Percy. I'm gonna show you it's working, also from Mattel. This one is also quiet. Some of these batteries, sorry, but some of these batteries are the ones I use for testing these models, and I don't know which ones are fully charged, but they are working really fast, as they should. I replace rewiring and everything, battery terminals, everything is new, actually, very clean. So here is another model, also the one I sold, Great Western Trojan. So let's move on and see the next models. So this entire lot has been sold to a single subscriber, single person who bought all of these. Here is the custom yellow lorry number 2 custom. And this model is vinyl grab model. Right there, it's working. So I do not include any batteries on these models due to restrictions on the United States Postal Service, but it just takes one AAA battery. Really nice model. Thank you for buying these models to that subscriber. You are helping us a lot. Okay, next, here's a custom lorry 3 green, also vinyl grab. You've seen this my video that I upload about this model. Also working great. Right there. So yeah, I gotta remove the batteries on all the models. Clean contacts, excellent. So far so good. So I'm gonna keep posting on the community tab the links for those models that I put for sale. So if anyone is interested, you will find the links on the community tab. If you don't see any links, that means it has been sold. So here we have another Great Western custom Trojan or Percy. Percy is based on this model, on the Trojan from Great Western models. Right there, excellent. So you gotta remove this little piece and then press on the side of the tanks to access the battery compartment. Right there. I've seen some customers when I used to sell on eBay, they complain because they can't find the battery or they say that it wasn't working, but I mean, they had no idea how to open these models. But anyways, so the next we have pink, the custom pink James, based on the tickled pink James right there. Really nice model. So anyways, it is working properly. Nice. So it does take a battery right here in the back. I have a double A's. It's working. Now the next one is Trackmaster 2 James. I added a snowplow, as you can see right there. Really nice model, and it's working properly. Look at that. Awesome. The snowplow can be removed and you can put it in another models. Not all the models fit, these snowplows can be fit on all models, on every model. And I'm gonna add, actually, to this customer, I'm gonna send him some extra snowplows for free that I want to give him for free, just as a thank you. Look at how this comes off and comes on. Really nice. Now this same person bought this black James Tomy with attached tender. Really nice model. Look at that. Excellent. And it's also working. All these models are working. Now, as I mentioned, some of these batteries are low charge, but this is working excellent. I need to buy new batteries, but anyways, here is the thing. Everything I have here on my table is my workspace. I just pick the batteries, and I have tons of models, and I gotta put some batteries. But anyways, this one, it's working really nice and it's fast. Test it with another battery too. So here is the custom golden Gordon right there. Really nice model. So also this one takes a C battery. So the C battery goes on the tender and it's working properly right there. And I do not have a C batteries. I need to buy some C batteries. Anyways, right there, very clean battery terminals or battery contacts. Now here is what I was talking about. I'm gonna add these snowplows for free to this customer as a thank you for buying a lot of these models. So I hope you can use them. I hope you like them. There are 3 different models right here. This one, I think this one is for, yes, this one is for Emily, and fits only Emily. And also you can trim down the back right here and made it fit to Gordon or other models. And the other 4, the first 3 and the last one, fit different models. Oh, before I forgot, also this custom all slow coach sold to the same person. Okay, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and over and out. Bye.